It's lift tour time! This time it's the shopping centre at Wimbledon. Most places have really dull floor numbering, like ground 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, that's so boring. But this place doesn't. It has interesting floor numbering. And now to the first lift, which is a really nice 80s fission. This lift goes from lower car park, upper car park, lower mall, upper mall, cafe court and staff only level. This lift goes a nice and fast 2 meters a second, but usually it's really busy and stops every other floor. But today I was really lucky as I got several entire journeys without interruption. Let's ride it! And next to these lifts is a double helix staircase, and the further you go up, the more spooky it gets. Going up past Cafe Court, up to staff only level. Where it stops becoming a double helix staircase, it's only one half of a double helix continues up. Continuing up past staff only level, it gets really spooky up here, up to the lift motor room. But sadly, no luck. So moving on to the next lift, which is a 1980s Thyssen hydraulic. This lift goes from lower car park, upper car park, lower mall, mezzanine, upper mall, management level, then staff only level. Let's ride it! And now to a new eco-disc in a shop. This shop only appears to be on Lower Mount and Upper Mount, but in the eco-disc in between Lower Mount and Upper Mount, there's a mezzanine level, but it's locked. I wonder what's there. It's a secret. And now, let's ride the eco-disc.
Going down.
And now to the next lifts, which are some more 1980s Vissons, but they've been modernised! Since they've been modernised, the buttons have been replaced with horrible Dewhurst, and now staff only level is now locked! Also, the floor indicator was not working properly in these lifts. These lifts go from lower car park, upper car park, lower mall, upper mall, then non-stop to staff only level.
Going down.
And now to the next lift in Debenhams, which is a 1980s Otis, but it's been modernised. They've also replaced the buttons with stupid Dewhurst. But what's quite odd is the button panel is new. They've seemed to have reused the 80s Otis indicator, which is a bit odd. Also, the indicator wasn't working properly. This lift goes from lower car park, upper car park, mezzanine, lower mall, upper mall, first floor, then staff only level 2. Let's ride it.